Aha! Wow! Fantastic!
Stranger is calling my phone. Stranger says he has something I want. A treasure box with gifts. I really want to
Yes!
see. Oh no. Something is inside the bushes. What is it? It's a big bad wolf. I will catch you. Ho ho ho. Quickly, go. Run away. The wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep
Wow,
breath
wow.
and blows everything
Yeah.
that's in his way. Run away. The wolf is coming your way. He takes a deep breath and blows everything that's in his way. I'm always super fun. With my rollerblades, I'm super fast. Hey, wait up. Please come back. Rollerblades are not allowed. There are rules you need to follow when you're at the escalator. If you don't follow the rules, you can hurt yourself or people around you. Safety first. Listen up.
Wow! Yes!
Skeletons,
Oh my God.
skeletons, riding a bus at night, not afraid of anyone.
What? Where?
Skeleton fell off the bus, the witch is shouting at them now.
Okay.
No more skeletons riding on a bus.
Good night.
Four little skeletons, spooky, scary skeletons, riding a bus at night, they're not afraid of anyone. I don't wanna go to school today. Hey Blue, come over here. I am scared they will know I'm not there. I have a trick to show you. Don't be scared. Magic remote control can make as many you as you want. Magic remote control will trick everyone you know.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yes, go.
Ha! Wow! Woohoo! Aha! Dear. Ew! Mouse. Excellent! Here. Good! Fox. Woohoo! Bird. Wow! Woohoo!
When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up high. Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not
Oh. Okay.
Here I come. Yum, yum, yum. So juicy, so crunchy, crunchy. Yum, yum, yum.
Wow!
So tasty and munchy,
Woohoo!
munchy. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah!
Healthy, yummy snacks. Picnic time.
It's
Healthy,
okay.
yummy snacks. On the ground.
Aha!
Help me carry them, pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is fun.
Look what I got!
But it can be so
Whoa.
hard.
So cool!
Hola.
Morning, time to brush my teeth.
Oh.
Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully.
Wow.
Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every
Wow.
day, that is so
Excellent.
easy.
Ew! Wow! Yeah! Fantastic!